Hello friend, Alaikum. This is my YouTube channel Computer Technology. Subscribe my channel Computer Technology. आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 3 नेटवर्किंग एंड कम्युनिकेशन. Learning objectives. Upon successful completion of this chapter, you will be able to understand the history and development of networking technologies. Define the key term associated with networking technologies. Understand the importance of broadband technologies. Describe organizational networking. A brief history of the Internet. ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Cold War, Military or Intelligence Advantage. ARPA, Requested Proposal for Communication Technology. Bold, Berinek and Newman. BBN, completed project in 1 year. 4 nodes. UCLA, Stanford, MIT and University of Utah. Introduction of the Internet. New networks but different languages. Protocol. Solution: Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, TCP, IP, Internet and Interconnected Network of Networks. Internet terms: packet data sent over the Internet. Hub connect other devices to the network and send packets to all devices connected to it. Bridge connects to network together and filter packets. Switches connects multiple devices and filter packet based upon destination. Router receive and analyzes packet, then send them to specific destinations. Internet terms: continued internet protocol, IP address, unique number that identify a device. Domain name: Google 7412522472. Common name for a website so you don't have to remember the IP address. Domain name: system DNS throughout the internet. Translate domain names to IP addresses. Packet switching: how packets travel to across a network through routers. Multiple packets may be broken up and sent different routes. Protocol: set of rules that allows devices to exchange information. Internet and the World Wide Web. Primary Internet user in 1980s. Government, academic and research organization. Driven by use of email. World Wide Web project. Graduate student Tim Berners-Lee needed a way to link his dissertation advisor comments together. Hypertext. 1993 Mosaic browser allowed combination of text and graphics. 1994 Netscape Navigator, first commercial web browser. .com bubble. National Science Foundation NSF managed internet until early 1990s. Restricted commercial ventures. 1991 NSF transferred control to USA government. Commercial use of the internet is now possible. Surge of investment in online companies. Investors understand e-commerce would be highly profitable. Power business model lead to widespread failures. 2000 to 2001 many internet companies went bust. Boot.com bubble. Boom. Companies needed better strategies and management to survive. Web 2.0. Web 1.0 web pages not interactive. People find and view information but don't interact with it. Web 2.0 user can communicate with websites and each other. YouTube, Wiki, Flickr, Facebook, etc. Web 3.0 semantic web emerging now. Sidebar: Internet West. www. What is different not the same. www is a part of the internet, a network of networks across the planet. www web server with HTML pages that are viewed on device with a web browser. Growth of broadband. In the 70s, 80s, people used dial-up modems to connect to computer, tied up phone line, hand usage to slow speed measured in Bps, cable of DSL or satellite offered higher speed broadband connection faster than 256,000 Bps. Speeds are much higher now. Average home broadband speed is between 3 Mbps and 30 Mbps. Enable the growth of new business and ways that people use technology. Wireless networking, Wi-Fi, mobile network, Bluetooth, IP. Organizational networking, internet within the organization. Extranet, allowing partner into your network for specific things. Example, supply chain management, internet. Cloud computing equal to internet. Cloud computing in-house and cloud farm. Google server farm or data centers. Data farms headlines. Fjord cool data center in Norway is the world's greenest data center. Facebook to build a server farm at the Arctic Circle. Economies, maintenance, labor, dynamic scaling, backup and recovery cost. Cloud computing problems. Security assess if you lose internet, it's over. Is not always as easy as it seems. Service from agent host may not be as good as what you get in-house. Looked in the specific service provider. Service from the cloud. Platform is a service. PaaS software is the service source. Infrastructure is a service loss. Cloud clients, web browser, mobile app, thin client, terminal, emulator, SaaS, CRM, email, virtual desktop, communication, games. PaaS, execution, runtime, database, web server, development, tools. Last, virtual machine, server, storage, load, balancers, network. Summary about this chapter. Reviewed the history and development of networking technologies. Define the key terms associated with the networking technology. Review the importance of broadband technology. Describe the organizational networking at high level. Thank you. आप सबसे गुजारिश है कि मेरा चैनल, यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें और कमेंट्स करें. थैंक यू.